Hey there, science fans. Today, we're talking about wearable technology, or wearables for short. These awesome gadgets like smartwatches and fitness trackers are changing how we live. They can even help us save money. One of the coolest things about wearables is energy harvesting. This means they can actually power themselves using things like your body heat or the sun. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Wearables are also great for tracking your health. They can monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, and even how many steps you take. By understanding our bodies better, we can make healthier choices, and healthier choices can lead to lower healthcare costs. So how do these amazing devices actually work? Well, it's all thanks to tiny sensors and circuits that collect and process information. These sensors can detect things like motion, light, and even your pulse. Once the sensors gather information, they send it to a small computer chip inside the wearable. This chip acts like the brain of the device. It interprets the data and displays it on a screen you can read. But here's the really cool part. Wearables can also connect to your smartphone or computer wirelessly using Bluetooth technology. This means you can sync your data, track your progress over time, and even share it with your doctor. Remember how I mentioned that wearables can power themselves? That's where energy harvesting comes in. This incredible technology captures energy from the environment and converts it into electricity to power your device. There are a few different ways wearables can harvest energy. Solar power. Some wearables have tiny solar panels that convert sunlight into electricity. Kinetic energy. Your movements, like walking or even just tapping your foot, can generate kinetic energy. Some wearables have mechanisms that capture this energy and use it to power the device. Thermoelectric generation. Believe it or not, your body heat can also be used to generate electricity. Some wearables use the temperature difference between your skin and the surrounding air to create power. Setting up your new wearable is a breeze. Most devices come with easy-to-follow instructions, but here's a quick rundown. First, charge it up. Before you begin, make sure your wearable is fully charged. This will usually involve plugging it into a power source using the provided cable. Next, download the app. Most wearables work in tandem with a smartphone app. Download the app that corresponds with your device from your phone's app store. Then, pair your devices. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your wearable with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Finally, customize your settings. Once your devices are paired, you can customize your wearable's settings, such as your activity goals, notification preferences, and clock face. Section 5. Tracking your health, heart to habits. Now for the fun part, using your wearable to track your health. Most wearables come equipped with a variety of sensors that can track things like heart rate, where you can monitor your heart rate throughout the day to see how your body responds to different activities. Sleep, where you can track your sleep patterns, including how long you sleep, how often you wake up, and what stages of sleep you experience. Steps and distance, to see how many steps you take, how far you walk or run, and how many calories you burn. Activity levels, to monitor your overall activity levels throughout the day and set goals for yourself. By tracking this data, you can gain valuable insights into your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Wearables and your wallet saving you money. You might be thinking wearables sound great, but are they good for my wallet? The answer is yes. Here's how wearables can help you save money. By tracking your activity levels and sleep patterns, wearables can motivate you to make healthier choices. This can lead to lower healthcare costs in the long run. Some wearables can even detect early warning signs of health problems, allowing you to seek medical attention sooner and potentially avoid costly treatments down the line. Did you know that some insurance companies offer discounts to members who wear fitness trackers? That's right, your wearable could actually save you money on your insurance premiums. Section 7. The future of wearables. What's next? The world of wearable technology is constantly evolving, and the future is looking bright. Here are a few exciting advancements on the horizon. We can expect to see even more sophisticated sensors in future wearables, capable of tracking things like blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and even stress levels. Imagine wearables that overlay digital information onto your real-world view. This technology, known as augmented reality, has the potential to revolutionize everything from navigation to healthcare. As wearables become more advanced, they will be able to offer personalized recommendations and insights tailored to your individual needs and goals. Section 8. Choosing the right wearable, finding your fit. With so many different wearables on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Here are a few things to consider when making your decision. What do you hope to gain from using a wearable? Are you primarily interested in tracking your fitness, monitoring your health, or simply staying connected? Wearables can range in price from affordable to quite expensive. Set a budget before you start shopping to narrow down your options. Different wearables offer different features. Make a list of the features that are most important to you and choose a device that meets your needs. Section 9. Take charge today. Get your wearable on. So what are you waiting for? Wearable technology offers a world of possibilities for improving your health, simplifying your life, and even saving you money. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or simply someone who loves to embrace the latest technology, there's a wearable out there for you. So take charge of your well-being and step into the future with the power of wearable tech.